Impact by Honeywell has introduced its latest desktop barcode printer solution for small and medium sized businesses.
In the presence of all of you, we are here to launch the next AIDC product, which is a barcode printer.
The 4-inch desktop barcode printer is developed under the Prime Minister of India's Make in India initiative. This printer, specially designed for light-duty label printing requirement, is launched in an order to provide hassle-free label printing experience to the economical buyers.
We want to cater the mass market who are using non-branded products and they don't get proper support from these players, so that is why Honeywell come into the play. So we know the need. We have done a thorough survey, we have met customers and dealers, so we know what is the pain point of this segment. So for a day, how many products they are making, how many products they are selling out, right? So for each and every product they need barcode or label printer, right? So our objective is to enable them with a printer which can cater their need and also which will not be which is very pocket friendly to these kind of things. So IH2, which is a desktop barcode printer, we're launching this product for India Inc. So with this product we are manufacturing in India. So this product comes with USB serial Ethernet port, and this has the speed of 5 IPS, 5 inches per second, which is the highest in the category. And also this printers offers 203 DPI, so which is the requirement of the mass mid segment in India. We have also catered this design with a large window which we are giving so that user can easily view the labels which they are putting into this. Also the sensor which we have included in this printer are very user friendly. They help to align the paper when it comes to printing. The printing speed is very fast, which is 5 IPS, and also it tells user if there is no paper in the printer.
The company claims that it's going to be a must-have product for applications across industries including healthcare, e-commerce, and supply chain verticals.
We're working with leading hospitals in the country to help them improve their productivity. So the idea is, how do we provide software solutions to help hospitals turn around more patients? So that's something that we've just launched. We've also launched something called the video analytics solution, which helps to again improve the safety and productivity. Then we've also launched shipment condition monitoring. So EDF 51 is the largest global selling mobility device. We started local manufacturing of it last month in Pune. In addition to that, we've also started the local manufacturing of a new variant called EDF51HC, which stands for healthcare. Because in the healthcare segment, the mobility device needs to be sterilized. So the material, the properties of the product needs to withstand the sterilization process. So we launched the product last month in India, again locally manufactured in our Pune facility.
Impact by Honeywell also plans to launch more made in India products for Indian market in coming months.
Next month we have a couple of scanners, again made in India completely, 1D and 2D scanners coming up. Then we have a new variant of barcode printer which is scheduled for launch in Q2 of next year. We also have a low-cost mobility device, again made in India, coming in Q3, which is immediately after the first half. These are India products. These are your products. And please, look at us as your extended family. We would want to provide all the support that you might need in making these products successful.
For more updates on this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.